Hey, welcome to Art2, a channel for those who want to sell their art online, and in today's video, I'll be discussing why it's important to keep an upload schedule if you want to increase sales on Redbubble. I've been a seller on Redbubble for a few years now, and one day I decided to sell my art through this platform, and I had a lot of success in the beginning, but then sales stagnated and my designs stopped getting the same level of sales they once had. So I thought it was time to change things up and try something new in order to try to regain momentum and sell more designs through Redbubble and even other print-on-demand websites. So I created a plan that would allow me to focus and create, and I would schedule a particular date every week to upload new designs to Redbubble. This would keep me on track along with creating new designs, and I could create more artwork. I decided it was necessary to generate a schedule to keep me from procrastinating. This schedule helped me be more disciplined, and I found that I created more artwork if I had a schedule to follow. I also had a goal of submitting 3 new creations each week. So I wrote down my goals every week as I structured my schedule, which included submitting 3 new pieces of artwork. I wouldn't put off working on my designs until the end of the day. I made it a point to start working on my designs as soon as I woke up. I set aside 30 minutes for each design, then took an hour off before beginning something fresh. Now, I found that when I started working on my designs in the morning, my mind was filled with creativity, maybe subconsciously something that I dreamt in the night. These things would come out and I would be able to put them into some sort of design for the day and then have more ideas flowing than normally I would if I did this in the evening. I found that I felt more accomplished and satisfied in my work when I followed a schedule and set goals. This really helped me grow my sales on Redbubble.
Oh, by the way, if you have any ideas for future videos, leave them down in the comment box below.
In order to do this, it's important to make a weekly schedule for yourself. Set goals for what you want to achieve this week, and then identify your skills that need improvement in order to reach those goals. I also just created a simple template in Google Docs, which helped me to set up a plan for the week, and it made it easy for me to know what I needed to do. The template helped me to put things into perspective and see the progress. I can now easily see how much time I need to come up with new design ideas, revisions, and uploading and adjusting my designs for Redbubble. This video is about how to schedule your designs to upload to your Redbubble shop, but it also goes over how to plan your designs if you want to get consistent sales on Redbubble. So here are a few of the steps that I take when I'm coming up with some ideas for my Redbubble designs. Step 1, I pick out an idea. If you can't think of one, you can always browse the new trends on Redbubble, which come out every day or weekly, and that gave me a lot to work with when I wasn't feeling as creative, because we always think that we're going to be able to come up with some idea, and there's times that nothing comes to us. So we need to be inspired by outside sources sometimes if we want to stay consistent and create designs that we're going to upload to Redbubble. Now, number 2, when I come up with an idea, I'll sketch out my design on paper, and I make sure to begin drawing in recognizable fashion, such as a face or a cat, and then I expand from there, and that design is not cluttered with too many images. Then I clean it up. I might upload it to my computer or the iPad. Using Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop is optional for some of you, but it will increase the quality of your design. However, most people don't have editing software and work on basic pen and paper instead, or you can get a free program like the GIMP, which is an alternative to Photoshop and does a really good job for free. Step number 3, turn the designs into a digital file by taking a picture or scanning into your computer. Then go to a website like CANVA or Photopea. Those are 2 great sites that you can start for free. And if you do need to upgrade, Canva offers a pro account, which you can find a link in the description box below for 30-day trial. But creating an image from what you sketched out in step 2, these websites have templates that make it easy to create designs based around that into maybe you want to create a t-shirt, or you want to add some typography. So you can do that with these websites, and it's very easy to change that up, whatever you created, and create something new in these programs. And then you have something that you can upload to Redbubble that looks amazing. Sometimes it blows my mind what I can do with these 2 programs, and they cost me nothing. It takes time to learn how Redbubble works, what kind of designs are popular, and how long it takes the design to be printed. All these kind of things can frustrate somebody who's new to Redbubble, and you might have some disappointments at first, but it's worth it. And after a few months, I was able to start selling t-shirts and other products on a more consistent basis, because now I was also being consistent with the number of designs that I was uploading. And you have to remember that when you're doing print on demand, it's a numbers game, and I've mentioned this in previous videos that the more people that see your designs, the better the chance you have of making a sale. So that means that if you're consistent and you have a large number of designs uploaded to your print-on-demand platforms, more people are going to see those designs, and eventually you do start to get consistent sales. In the future, in order to plan my schedule better, I need an organization system that will allow me to manage what I'm designing and when it'll be released in order to maximize sales and profits. I also use scheduling software like that of Google Calendar to organize my future work. And as part of the Google Docs ecosystem, it's a really good program to plan out my content and to keep me focused on what date I want to have something out. When I plan things out, I find that I get it accomplished and it gets out. And if I didn't have this, these things would sit in my computer and I wouldn't be able to complete them because I would lose focus of what I'm working on. I'd also like to learn more about how others are scheduling their work in order to get ideas on what different scheduling strategies others are using. If you're already scheduling your uploads to Redbubble, leave a comment down below and let us know what you're doing. In conclusion, by creating a plan to keep me focused, I was able to upload new designs to Redbubble more consistently. I found that having at least 3 new designs each week helped me be more productive. This allowed me to continue creating art, which is a passion of mine, and to earn more income from my designs. If you haven't already subscribed and would like to learn more about growing your print-on-demand business, subscribe now so you'll know when the next video goes up. Hitting the like button also helps more viewers find this content on YouTube. The more designs you upload, the better the chance your designs will sell. So keep uploading and we'll see you in the next one.